Hi, this is Rick. Today we're going to learn how to trace received goods with serial numbers and barcodes. In order to show you this, we're going to go to ERP in Cloud. And there are a variety of steps necessary to actually perform this task. So after you log into ERP in Cloud, you create a purchase order for products that have a barcode. Then you receive the product from the supplier through incoming shipments. After that, you go to the More option and select Barcode Scanning. Select the product and scan the serial number. After you do that, you validate the picking in the warehouse and the product gets updated with serial numbers. Finally, after you've concluded that activity, you'll verify the serial number traceability in the warehouse. So it's a quite simple process, and we'll take you through that as we go into ERP in Cloud. Again, we're going to go to ERP in Cloud and log in as a user. So now we're at ERP in Cloud. In the message section, we're going to go into purchasing, and we're going to create a purchase order. So we open up the purchase order and we select one of our suppliers. After that, we pick a product to be purchased, for which we're going to use a barcode scanning capability. So we've selected iPhone. And so there we open up the product information, and you can see in the inventory there are some areas for tracking manufacturing lots incoming and outgoing. So now we're going to select the number of units that we wish to purchase, and we'll select 3. Now we're going to confirm the order. After we confirm the order, we're going to receive the products. So we click Receive, and we notice that there are no products received because they haven't been scanned in. So we try to transfer, but there's a warning: please scan the serial number for the product iPhone. So you cannot receive the products without scanning them first. So let's cancel that and go to More and select Barcode Scanning. Okay, now here's the barcode scanning section. Unfortunately, I don't have a barcode scanner, so after I select the product, I'm going to have to enter the serial numbers manually. Quantity 3 iPhones. We'll start with a single serial number, and we'll key that in. So the serial number we'll select is 1000011. And that's the serial number for the product that we'll be receiving. So 1, you can see, is scanned in. So that's a simulated barcode scan where we entered the serial number. Then we're going to select the range. So that's the number of units to be scanned first we had a total of 3, we scanned 1, so the range left to be scanned would be 2. So now we're going to key that in and click on that, and you can see we now have 3 sequential serial numbers. So we validate that picking, and now we have 3 products. The status is done, so we've been able to receive the products in. So then we could, for example, create an invoice. Rather than doing that, let's go to the warehouse. And we're at incoming shipments. But we can sort by serial number. So this is a list of serial numbers for products that are in our warehouse. Now if we scroll down, we find 3 iPhones serial numbers 10011 through 13. That shows that the products have been scanned in, have been received. So these are the steps to follow to take care of the task at hand. Again, this is in ERP and Cloud. We created a purchase order, received the product from the supplier through incoming shipments. We went to the More option, selected barcode scanning, selected the product and scanned the serial number, validated the picking, and got an update with the serial number, and that's it. Thank you very much.